Hi everybody, welcome to ePrime for this evening. I am Daedrian. Armani named Billboard's inaugural Caribbean Rookie of the Month. Yay! Armani's latest project, his debut album The Impact, has earned critical praise for blending dancehall with R&B and Afrobeat influences, showcasing his versatility as an artist and his potential to carry the next generation of Caribbean music. Now, according to Billboard, his sound and style have already turned heads internationally. Last year, he delivered an unforgettable performance at Billboard's R&B Hip Hop Live 2025 showcase in New York, signaling that dancehall energy is gaining fresh momentum on major global platforms. Clock that. Now, on the international scene, Wu-Tang Clan collaborator Oliver Grant dead at 52. The passing was announced Wednesday on social media by the Wu-Tang Clan. No further details about his death were given. Grant is credited as being the band's executive producer and co-founder of Wu-Tang Productions. He also acted in several movies, including Belly and Black and White. Grammy Award-winning artist Bruno Mars is getting a street named after him in Sin City. According to sources with MGM Resorts, Park Avenue in Las Vegas will be renamed Bruno Mars Drive. Clark County officials approved the dedication due to Mars' strong connection to the city. Specific details about the project's timeline were not announced. The 40-year-old just completed his long-running 9-year residency at Dolby Park MGM in Las Vegas on New Year's Eve. Bruno Mars is also kicking off the romantic tour this spring. Opening night will be at the Allegiant Stadium in Las Vegas on April 10 and 11. Now, Harvey Weinstein is shaking up his legal team ahead of his retrial for a New York rape charge. Hollywood Reporter says he has brought on Jacob Kaplan, who represents Luigi Maloney. Another new member of Weinstein's team is former attorney for Sean Diddy Combs. Next month's retrial is Weinstein's second for a charge of raping an actress. His New York conviction for forced oral sex remains. He's also serving time for a rape conviction in California. Whitney Houston lands a second music video from the Bodyguard soundtrack in YouTube's Billions Club.
Don't walk away from me. I have nothing if I don't have.
Earlier this month, the music video for the powerhouse ballad, the third single from the soundtrack of the Bodyguard Houston's 1992 film debut, reached 1 billion views on YouTube. Released as a single after the successes of I Will Always Love You and I'm Every Woman, I Have Nothing peaked on the Billboard Hot 100 at number 4. The Bodyguard soundtrack spent 20 weeks atop the Billboard 200 album chart and is also the highest RIAA certified soundtrack of all time. This is Houston's second music video from the Bodyguard to join YouTube's Billion Club with more than 1.8 billion views so far. The video for her blockbuster cover of Dolly Parton's I Will Always Love You could be on track to surpass 2 billion views in the coming months. That's it for ePrime this evening. I'm Daedrian. Thank you for watching.